Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Windsurf for free with a simple trick. I'll test it now so you can see that I've hit the limit and can no longer use it for free. The first thing we do to remove the limit is click on the profile, then go to the account section and select Sign Out, and we completely close Windsurf. The next thing we do is open the browser. All you need to do is search for windsurf.com in the search bar. Here we click on the profile section. Here, we go to the usage section, and you can see that we've hit the limit. To reset this limit, all you need to do is go to the Settings tab. And here, all you have to do is click on Delete Account. After a few seconds, our account will be deleted, and we will be taken to the sign-in page. Now, all you need to do is register again using the same previous account. We click on Explore, and then we click on the profile again. Now we go back to the Usage tab, and you can see that our limit has been reset. Now we enter the Windsurf editor again. We click on Login and enter our account. Now, I'll test again to see if my limit has been lifted or not. You see, my limit gets reset just that easily. Now, I open my browser again, click on the profile, go to the Usage tab, and you can see that my limit has been completely reset. I've done this several times without any problems. Definitely try this method and write in the comments that you can use Windsurf for free this easily. For support, you can like and subscribe. Good luck!